next we'll start with the next topic, that is information education and communication. So what are the roles and responsibility of a nurse in this information education communication? So before knowing about the roles and responsibility of a nurse in this information education and communication, we'll see what is information education communication. So according to WHO, information education communication is defined as an approach which attempt to change or reinforce a set of behavior. Okay, it is an approach which attempt to change or reinforce a set of behavior in a target audience regarding specific problem in a predefined period of time. So that is usually according to WHO, IEC, that is information education communication, it is defined as an approach which attempt to change or reinforce a set of behavior in a target audience, again a target audience regarding a specific problem in a predefined period of time. So what is this information communication and information education and communication is that, so this is usually changes the behavior of the target audience. Okay, usually by this we can change the behavior of the target audience with which mainly leads to promotion of health. Okay, which mainly leads to promotion of health, and this is usually done in a predefined period time. Okay, it is usually done in a predefined period of time. So when the target, and they usually select the target audience, so they will select the target audience, they will change their behavior, they reinforce the behavior with a predefined time, which mainly promotes the health status of the individuals. Okay, mainly promotes the health status of the individual. So now what is this information? So before knowing the information, we have to know what is data. So what is the data? So data is nothing but the fact. Okay, data is nothing but the fact, and this can be in the form of numbers, this can be in the form of characters, this can be in the form of symbol, or it can be in the form of image. So what is data? Data is nothing but symbol. Data is nothing but a fact. Okay, the data is nothing but a fact, and this fact can be in the form of symbol, character, numbers, images, everything. So then what is information? So information is nothing but the knowledge that we get from the study. Okay, information is nothing but the knowledge that we get from the study. So that is usually information. So this usually it is done. So normally information education communication, it is nothing but, which is defined by WHO, it is usually where they reinforce a set of behavior at the target audience where with the help, where it usually promotes the health status of the individual. Okay, where it promotes the health status of the individual. So that is usually about this information education communication. So in order to understand detailing about this information education communication, we have to understand certain things. That is, the first is data. Data is nothing but fact, which might be in the numbers, it can be in the symbols, it can be in the images. So then what is information? Information is nothing but what are the things that we have studied from the experience or instruction. Okay, what are the things that we have studied from the experience or instruction? So what is education? So education is nothing but which we learn, okay, where we learn new things, okay, where we learn new things for the promotion and maintenance and restoration of the health. So normally education, here health education is given where we learn few new things, okay, where we learn few new things for promotion, maintenance and restoration of the health. So what is communication? So communication is nothing but interchange of the thought, opinion or information. Communication is nothing but interchange of the thought, information and usually thought, opinion and information. So this can be done either through orally or it can be done through written. So this is about this fact. These are the terms that we have to know in order to understand about this IEC. So that is data. Data is nothing but fact. The data can be in the form of numbers, symbols or any images or something. Information, it is usually study which we get from experience or instruction. Education is nothing but usually health education, it is nothing but where we learn new things for the promotion, maintenance and restoration of the health. Communication, it is nothing but the interchange of thought, opinion and information. It can be done through orally or written. So this is about the certain terms that we have to understand about this IEC. So next is there are certain steps in order to develop this IEC. The steps, which is first is planning, then precipitating activities. So that is usually steps that mainly the first is planning, this is precipitating activity, and the next third is material development. So the three steps which is involved in this IEC. Okay, these are the three steps that is usually involved in this IEC. So what are the steps that is involved in this IEC? It is mainly planning, precipitating activities and material development. So what is planning? So planning, it is nothing but it is usually where there will be thorough assessment of the programs, okay, where there will be thorough assessment of the programs. So in this planning, it is also done under certain activities, like first is situational analysis, okay. It is the planning, it is nothing but the thorough assessment of the program, okay. Planning is nothing but the thorough assessment of the program. So this is mainly done under two steps, that is situational analysis, identifying target group, establishing goal, objectives and targets. So this is mainly situational analysis. So this is, we have to analyze the situation, okay, where we have to analyze the existing material, okay. We have to analyze the existing material, policy, health. So all these things should be law which has been done. So all these things should be analyzed, okay. All these things should be analyzed. So next is target, identification of the target group. So in this, usually we have to identify the target groups. So target group where we are identifying. So there are certain criteria which we have to see. Certain risk behavior should be identified. Population size should be identified. This large number of population, then that also falls in the target group. And then we have to check for the spread of infection, okay, potential for spread of infection. So this target group should be identified. The first is situational analysis, where we will be checking about the policies that is meant for health, communication and collecting information. What are the policies that is meant? So that has to be analyzed. And then we have to identify the target group. Target group can be identified. So this is mainly identified where we will be identifying the risk behavior people, and in that certain criteria is that behavior should be assessed, population size should be assessed, and the potential for spread of infection should be done. So next is developing task or developing goal and objectives, okay, developing goals and objectives. Once you have identified the target group, now we have to plan for goals, like what are the things that you have to do in order to correct the target group, okay, in order to correct the target group. So that is usually about this planning. So planning, where it is mainly thorough assessment of the program. It is nothing but thorough assessment of the program. It is mainly done through situational analysis, target group and developing objectives and goals. So next is preparatory activities, okay. Now we have planned everything, whatever you have to do. So next is you have to prepare, preparatory activities have to be done. So in this preparatory activity, we have to arrange for support services, okay. We have to arrange for support services. Like what are the services, like we have to check for the supplies, what are the essential services, what is required for correcting the behavior, what are the supplies that is available. So everything has to be checked, okay. So that is arranged for support services. Then provide training, okay. The next is providing training or conducting training. So adequate training, it is given for the health personnel to carry on the to train the behavior of the target group, okay, to change the behavior of the target group. So that is usually about this preparatory activity, where arranging for support services and for conducting training. So the last step of this IEC, it is material development. So in case of this material development, so where we will be conducting research work, okay, where we will be conducting research work, and this research work, it is mainly conducted through behavioral research, okay. It is mainly conducted through behavioral research. And this, in order to do this material development, we have to select, design or choose media and channels, okay. We have to choose media and channels so that we can pass the message to the target group through some media and channel, okay. We can pass the message to the media to the target group through media and channel. So that is, we have to select for the media and channel. So that is usually there. And next is usually developing IEC material, okay, developing IEC material. So in this developing IEC material, so materials should be developed so that we can pass the information to the target group. So what are the materials that is usually used? It can be radio, it can be television, it can be newspaper, it can be magazines, or it can be booklets. So all these things should be identified and it should be developed so that the information can be completely passed to the target group. So that is usually there. Then monitoring and evaluation. So what are the information that you have passed to the target group? You have to monitor whether they are practicing or they are using it or not, and you have to evaluate whether the behavior of the target group is changed. The behavior of the target group is changed. So that is usually about this steps of IEC. Steps of IEC mainly includes planning, preparatory activities and material development. Planning, where we will be planning, like it is usually done to thorough assessment of the program, which is mainly done as a situation analysis. Target group should be selected, and then developing goals and objectives. Then preparatory activities mainly done through support system should be arranged, and then we have to go with training. The training should be provided. Material development, it is mainly done where we will be conducting research, then we will be identifying the media or design the channel, then we will be developing IEC material, monitoring and evaluation. So this is usually steps of this IEC. So So this is roles and responsibility of IEC. Okay, roles and responsibility of a nurse in the IEC. So what are the things that she has to do? It is that she has to plan IEC with a comprehensive strategy. Okay, she has to plan this IEC with comprehensive strategy. Okay, she should have a strategy for planning this IEC. Then she has to conduct research. Then she has to understand the target group. Okay, she has to understand the target group, and then she should test or plan like what are the things that she has to do in order to conduct the IEC program. Okay, in order to conduct this IEC. Then she has to reward. Okay, then she has to plan for reward if people learn or to change the behavior as soon as possible. Okay, if people learn to change the behavior as soon as possible, then she has to reward. Okay, then she has to reward. So that is usually done. Then she has to monitor, implement and monitor, and also she should know that she has to understand everything in the local language. Okay, whatever the things that she is doing, it should be done in the local language so the people can understand nicely and they can change their behavior. The last is evaluation should be done. So normally the first thing is that she has to plan for the conduction of IEC. Then she has to collect information regarding the target group. Then she has to maintain, like she has to give reward if there is any changes, like if there is any behavioral change. Then she has to monitor what are the things that is done. So timing should be fixed. Okay, timing should be fixed. Okay, so what are the things that she is doing? So timing should be fixed, like within this certain time the person should, target group should change the behavior. And the next, monitoring should be done. She has to continuously monitor the behavior of the individuals. Then evaluation should be done. So these are usually the roles and responsibility of the nurse in the IEC. So this is about this IEC. So IEC is nothing but where they will be identifying the target group, they will be changing their behavior so that there will be promotion of the health status. So this is about this IEC.